Hello and welcome, it's your girl Claudine, you've reached Nature's Natural Hair. We're going to be reviewing the Pacome Chicago collection, and that's their shampoo, conditioner, their rinse cleanser and their oils. As you can see, the consistency is not too runny and it's not too thick, but this shampoo, it doesn't lather up very well, but it does leave your hair cleansed, funny enough. So for a natural shampoo with natural ingredients, that's very much expected. You will find that they don't lather up as well as all the other shampoos does, but this has pure baking soda, coconut oil and shea butter ingredients in there. And the good thing about this brand is they have a booklet and it has a guide on how to use each and every one of their products to get the full usage and benefits of them. So my hair has already been cleansed, and I haven't shown you that in this clip, but I have shown you applying the conditioner in my hair, and this conditioner has pure palm kernel oil, shea butter, coconut and olive oil in there, and the consistency is really great. It is a great conditioner. It did have some slip in there that allowed me to detangle my hair. So this conditioner nourishes and it moisturizes your hair while giving you shine, and it did provide my hair with shine. And in regards to the shampoo moisturizes your scalp and it removes any grime and dirt that's on your scalp. The granular structure massages your scalp and it enhances the microcirculation of the blood, which delivers nutrients to the follicles, and it makes your hair stronger and shinier. So that's the benefit of using their shampoo. So I am basically working the product in every strand of my hair using the praying method, which you guys may be familiar with. It is a great technique to ensure every strand is coated with the product. And then I've gone in with my EZ detangling brush just to make sure that my hair is detangled and every strand is saturated with the product. Okay, so my hair has been rinsed out after applying the conditioner. I'm now ready for the hot oil treatment to be applied to my hair. So I've gone in with their hair serum, which revitalizes the hair follicles and the roots. And the ingredients in there is palm oil, shea butter, coconut oil. It's got olive oil. Oh, it's got so much oils in it. But with this oil, you have to shake it, put it in some warm water to help to melt down the oil in there. So you leave it in there for I can't remember the exact time, 2 minutes, that's it. And then you shake it well so it's like fully melted, and then you apply it to the roots of your hair, and then you ensure every part of your scalp is massaged in with the oil, and then you just put your hair under a cap for 45 minutes, rinse out, and you're ready to style. So I hope you like this video. Do visit our store at naturesnaturalhair.com to purchase your products there. And if you're first time buying with us, don't forget to sign up to get your discount code. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.